I will be showing the steps to do a grouped frequency distribution. This data represents the record high temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit for each 50 states, and it's the data we will be using to construct our grouped frequency distribution. First, you need to determine your classes, and I've already created a table displaying each of the columns we'll need. So to do our classes, we need to find the highest value and then the lowest value. So the highest for our data was 134. And the lowest was 100. So then to find your range, you will take your highest value minus your low. So range can be highest minus low, so it'll be 134 minus 100, which equals 34, which will be our range. And then you need to select the number of classes desired. Usually it's between 5 and 20. In this case, we'll be doing 7 classes. To find a class width, by dividing the range by the total number of classes. So the width will be 2 range over number of classes. So that'll equal 34 divided by 7, which equals 4.9. And whenever given a number that's not even or to a whole number, you always round up. So that we will round up to, so that was supposed to be a 9, round up to 5. Then after you do that, you select a starting point for your lowest class limit. And you always want to start with the lowest number of data, which is 100 for our data. And then you will just do, for the whole class limit, you will just take 100 and then you will add 5 to it each time. And you just have to keep in mind, though, that you on a count, make sure there's 5 numbers in between and not necessarily add 5. So that's why it's 100 to 104, because there's 5 sets of data in there. And then for your next number, you will go, instead of doing 104, you will go back and do 105. And so on. And then finally, your last class, which was number 7, is 130 to 134. Then once you do your class limits, you will work on your class boundaries. Your class boundaries can be determined by doing 0.5 below the lowest limit and 0.5 above the highest limit. For example, we have 100, so our lower class boundary will be 99.5. And since we are dealing with 104, our higher class boundary will be 104.5. You will just continue that pattern for all of your numbers. And this is the one time where you can double up on your numbers where you're not repeating. As for before, you weren't repeating the number down below. Alright, and then for your tally and frequency columns, your tally will just be the number of data sets that will range in your class limits. So for all the data that is between 100 and 104, you will tally that up and put it right here. And that has already been tallied. There was 2, 7, or 8. frequencies, we'll just add them all up, all your tallies up and put them in there. 2, 8, 13, 13, 7, 1, and 1. You'll add that all up, and that'll be your total, and it will equal 50. That's how much data you had. And that is all the steps that you need to conduct a grouped frequency distribution.